Hello, fine people surfing the internet. Thanks for stopping. Welcome to Rich Rides the Rockies, raw and unfiltered. Thanks for joining me. I know what you're saying. Rich, you're not riding, you're walking. Well, I'm doing another equipment test. I got my external mic. I've got the cage to fit the cold shoe. I'm just waiting on a USB-C to C cable. The one I have on here now is like 8 inches long, and it's just a target. If I were on the bike, a target for the wind, target for any debris that might fly by, and I really don't want to ruin this camera equipment because I got impatient and went for a bike ride without the proper gear. So I am taking another walk through the neighborhood. I hope you enjoy it. Let me turn you around and let you see what I see. Absolutely beautiful day here in Denver, Colorado. It's about 65 degrees. What is today? The 8th of March. There's that copper spiral from DU in front of me there. So yes, just getting my camera gear dialed in before I start hitting the trail on my e-bike. My first e-bike recording I've got planned. I'm going to do a battery test. I've got an Act Best Apex 26-inch mountain bike. It's got a 48 volt battery, 10.5 amp hours. It says it's rated to go 30 miles an hour, or 30 miles round trip, pardon me. 22 miles an hour is the top speed. Unless you're going downhill. Laugh out loud. So yeah, that cable should be here any day. I've been vigilantly watching for deliveries. I have lots of adventures planned this spring and summer. If you don't know, I have created over 200 AI generated videos. I have a travel channel, Rich Rides the Rockies. All of those AI generated videos are on that channel. I have a gondola ride on Cherry Creek. They're supposed to reopen that again this year. Hang gliding off a Lookout Mountain. I want to recreate that one. And it's on my bucket list to do a helicopter ride for New Year's Eve. I'm going to have to save up a little money for that one. But as I say, it's on the bucket list. So hey, do a guy a favor, hit that subscribe button. I'm on my way to 100,000 subscribers. I only need 982 to go, or something like that. Hit that like button. Make sure you leave a comment. It tells the YouTube algorithm that you're watching. And hit that notification button. You're going to want to see me hit the road with that e-bike. And eventually on my Honda Shadow motorcycle, which I have currently started a savings plan. 6 months from now, I hope to have a motorcycle, which will give me a better capability of recreating these AI generated videos. And the one I'm chomping at the bit to recreate is Trail Ridge Road. I've been over Trail Ridge Road about 6 times in my life. It is a fantastic view. And another one I want to do, which I've been to the top, and I'm going to turn you around right now because I can see it from here. Right there. Mount Evans. Still got a little bit of snow up on those glaciers. Now I have ridden a motorcycle up there twice, taken a car up there 3 times. And it's always beautiful. I love watching how the climate changes as you climb in elevation. Oh, he's cruising. So let's talk about the e-bike a bit. As I said, it is a Act Best Apex 26-inch mountain e-bike. Has a 48-volt battery at 10.5 amp hours. It's said to do 30 miles round trip. We're going to find out here shortly. It does have a 250 watt motor, which peaks at 500. I've had it since July of 25. I'm creeping up on 800 miles. And according to AI, the first 200 miles of an e-bike are the telling miles. If it's gonna fail on you, it'll be in those first 200 miles. After that, the e-bike, or the AI says you're good to go. He said, and AI, Gemini AI, says that I got a Tuesday bike. And if you're not familiar with that concept in the manufacturing world, If you're buying a product, you want to get something that was manufactured on a Tuesday. And the reason being is on Monday, nobody wants to be there. Tuesday, they've kind of settled in and they're doing their best work. By Wednesday, it's hump day. They're already thinking of the weekend. Thursday, Friday, they've already checked out. So yeah, you definitely don't want to get a Monday bike or a Friday bike. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. I do appreciate you. Make sure you hit that subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me which one of my AI videos you'd like me to redo.